Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Thank you for attending this meeting. This meeting is conducted to discuss WHS policies and procedures. So this meeting is gonna be two-way. You're gonna answer some of the questions relevant with you. So WHS stands for Workplace Health and Safety, and WHS policies and procedures are critical components of an organization's effort to ensure the health and safety of its employees and visitors. These policies and procedures are designed to create a safe and healthy work environment and to comply with relevant legal and regulatory requirements. The actions that business must adhere to is by recognizing the importance of providing a safe and healthy environment for staff, contractors, children, and visitors. We aspire for excellence in workplace health and safety and are committed to providing an environment which is free from risk and conducive to the productivity and efficiency needs of the children, staff, and others. We are also committed to encouraging active participation, cooperation, and consultation with all staff and others in the promotion and development of measures to improve health and safety. Can you list 3 employer responsibilities?
Firstly, provide a safe work environment. It is the duty of employers to make sure that there are no risks at work that could endanger worker or guest. Develop and communicate WHS policies and procedure. Employees are required to establish and communicate clear WHS policies and procedure to employees. Thirdly, law and regulation compliance. Employees are responsible for making sure the company complies all applicable laws and regulations pertaining to workplace health and safety.
The employee responsibilities of WHS participation is to report all accidents and incidents, including injuries, illness, and near misses, to their senior educator and participate in mandatory WHS training. Employees must act in accordance with the safety directions and procedures documented in Kingsford Early Learning Center policies, legislation, and supporting documents. So how can you ensure that the safety of self, other workers, and the public?
We can ensure the safety of self, other workers, and the public by understanding and following safety procedures, proper use of PPE, reporting any hazards or unsafe conditions to supervisors, inspecting and maintaining equipment and machinery regularly to ensure they are in good working conditions, continuously looking for ways to improve safety in workplace, and by providing proper feedback on safety procedures.
Thank you. Can you also provide an example of how failure to follow WHS policies and procedures can have a negative outcome?
There are serious consequences when policies and procedures related to workplace health and safety are broken. When a construction worker, for example, forgets to wear fall protection gear and disregards safety protocols when working at height, there could be a fall from considerable height that causes serious injuries, fatalities, witness emotional trauma, legal repercussions, missed work, project delays, harm to the company's reputations, and lost profits.
So the purpose of WHS policy and procedure is to ensure that every employee can work safely and understand how to handle safety related situations. The WHS policy and procedures, in summary, are intended to create a commitment to workplace safety, delineate responsibilities, and offer precise instructions. These records are crucial resources for maintaining legal compliance and fostering a safe and healthy work environment. Can you describe at least 3 safe housekeeping practices that it is important for you to adhere to, and the PPE you will need to access to complete these safe housekeeping procedures?
Firstly, regularly clean the work areas. Maintain a routine of routinely cleaning your workplace, which should include dusting and sweeping of any debris. PPE, gloves to handle cleaning supplies and sharp objects, and safety shoes with non-slip soles to seal your feet from possible hazard. Second, correct storage of materials. To avoid trip hazards, store supplies and equipment in designated areas, keeping them neat and out of the way of traffic. Cleaning up and reporting spills. Spills, leaked, or dangerous materials should be cleaned up right away, and you should notify your supervisor.
The ways that we can use to ensure to maintain up-to-date knowledge of safe work practices in regards to workplace system, equipment, and process in this area is by providing education and training. Participate in frequent safety workshops and training sessions offered by your employer or patent trade associations. The purpose of this session is to provide employees with the most recent safety guidelines and practices, frequent communications and meetings for safety. Take part in safety meetings and conversations to share information about any recent incidents or updates on safety with co-workers and supervisors. Internet sources and trade journals. To remain up to date on the most recent advancement in safe work practices, consult publications, industry-specific websites, and internet resources. Trade journal, professional association, and government agencies frequently offer useful information. So as we are working for a long time, we have some stress and fatigue. How can you discuss your stress and fatigue?
I set aside time for rest and self-care. This could be spending some time alone myself, reading, taking a bath, or engaging in a hobby. Taking part in things I enjoy doing, recreating pursuits and hobbies can be excellent ways to decompress and remove myself from stressful situations. Thank you.
Thank you for joining the meeting.
Thank you.